Hi everyone, welcome back to Craft and Canvas. If you love handmade gifts that are both cute and useful, today's video is just for you. We are going to make this super adorable DIY photo desk calendar, perfect for New Year, Valentines, birthdays, or honestly, any special occasion. It's personalized, budget friendly, and such a thoughtful gift. So grab your supplies and let's get started. Materials required are cardboard paper, pencil, eraser, scale, scissors, blade, scoring tool, double sided tape, and glue. The templates are available on our website. Link is in the description box below. We will start with template 3, which is our photo stand. First, score along all the marked lines and fold them neatly. Take your time here. Clean folds make a huge difference in the final look. Now apply double-sided tape or glue along the edges shown. Next, remove the tape from these 4 edges and carefully stick the transparent plastic sheet on top. This is going to protect your photos and also make the stand sturdy. Once that's done, remove the tape from the remaining edges and fold the other part of the template over it, just like shown in the video. Now fold along all the creases we made earlier. Open up the stand section. Apply double-sided tape inside. Remove the backing and press it firmly to secure the base. And there you go. Template 3, the photo stand, is ready. Moving to template 2, the outer box. I am flipping my paper because I want the patterned side to show on the outside. If your paper is patterned on both sides, you can skip this step. Score and fold along the lines. Apply double-sided tape along the marked edges. Now peel off the tape and start sticking the edges together one by one to form a neat box shape. Press the edges firmly so everything holds properly. And just like that, your outer box is ready. Last but definitely not the least, template 1, which is the drawer. Score and fold along the lines. Apply double-sided tape to the edges shown. Now stick them one by one to form a drawer shape. Make sure the corners are aligned properly for smooth sliding effect and your drawer is ready. Now that all three templates are ready, let's assemble everything. Take the photo stand, that's template 3, and apply double-sided tape on the remaining edge. Important tip: stick this edge to the closed end of the template 2, not to the open end. And make sure you attach it to the inside top section as shown in the video. Press firmly to secure it. Now slide the drawer into the box through the open end. Now comes the fun part, decorating. I have few calendar sheets, some stickers, and photos that will go inside the drawer. I am placing all the photos inside the drawer except one that goes inside the photo stand. Then adding some stickers on the photo stand. I am adding small tearaway calendar sheets. Apply glue only along the top edge so it's easy to tear each month. To keep them tight while drying, I am securing them with a paper clip. Next, I am placing two hearts at the top. This not only adds cute touch but also gives extra support to the photo stand. Instead of sticking the calendar sheets directly, I am attaching a cute sticky note first. And when the last December sheet is torn off, there is a sweet hidden message underneath. Finally, I am adding some ribbons and a small bow for that final finishing touch. And there you have it, your very own personalized DIY photo desk calendar ready. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, keep crafting and keep creating. Bye.